Welcome everybody to another installment of Crypto Moose. The Moose is a little pissed off. Got a freaking parking ticket. No joke. This is an actual parking ticket. Unbelievable. It is my fault. I parked somewhere where I shouldn't have. I knew it. It just kind of happened. And I figured, you know what? Like, this was going to cost me 60 ADA at the time. So I'm like, I'm not going to pay it. So now it's going to cost me like 120 ADA. So anyways, I'm Mitchell Bouchard. I'm your host. We're going to be talking about Copi today. Why I bought 50,000 Copi tokens. We're at, I believe, 53,000 right now. So also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to try to get through this. I've been sick for the past week. Don't even get me started about that. Been fighting with my doctor. Don't even know how this guy's been hired to like assess me. Guy owns zero crypto, and he's out there saving lives. He's saving lives. Doesn't even know about cryptocurrencies. Anyways, he's smart in his own regard, but a complete idiot when it comes to finance. Doesn't own any Copi. I'm like, dude, like, how are you gonna help me? Like, you can't even help yourself and buy some Copi. Anyways, let me know if your doctor's into crypto. Mine isn't, so I'm gonna fire this guy. Again, cornucopias, a beautiful project. So when we look and zoom out, so let's look at we're not going to take the micro, we're going to take the macro lens, and we're going to look at what's going on in the crypto space. We're in a bear market, but there's a lot of opportunity. So if we look at Copi, okay, at an all-time, all right, so this is basically the price fell because we had coins coming from the Binance Smart Chain over. So effectively, you're only able to pick up Copi, which you still can, from their website. You would go to PancakeSwap. You would have to convert your Binance Smart Chain coin, convert it to Copi. You have to do that through MetaMask, especially if you want to use a hardware wallet. Then from there, eventually we had a bridge, so you could bridge them over. Anyways, I doubled my money because of that, because I figured, hey, it's a penny. When it comes out on ADA, it'll probably go up, which it did. But I got lucky there. I'm not going to pretend like I'm some genius, Michael Burry or something. But anyways, I got lucky there, so we'll go through my portfolio in a minute. But what I want to talk to you about is the fact that it's 3 cents right now. And if we take a look at a similar project, so if we go here and we're going to type in Sandbox, which looks horrendous. Some may even say that, you know, it looks like Minecraft and it's somewhat egregious, but whatever. What I want to look at is the price. So last bull run we had, Sandbox went from, you know, if you got in early, you were getting it at 3-4 cents. Similar to something else that we've been looking at, which is Copi. Okay, so here's my thought. Cornucopias is going to look 29, maybe a million times better than Sandbox. Okay, actually, let's do this. Let's click on the website for Sandbox. Okay, we'll give you a little example. Okay, Sandbox looks like Minecraft. It's dorky. Okay, it's like this pixelated garbage. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm building a case for Copi, anyways. But look, it's very pixelated, right? Like, that's the metaverse. Come on. Like, if that's going to be the metaverse, you might as well get me a crayon and draw on a piece of paper, and I'll show you my metaverse, right? Looks like trash. I don't want to be in this metaverse. Sure, it's got its little niche. That's great. But it's a dump. Okay? You take that and you compare it to Copi. This is cool. Okay? This is sick. Look at this. This is cool. You could own the bubble jet. Look at the land. Right? You could build on the land in the Copi universe. Like, look at the jets. Look at this. And for whatever reason, it's not even playing high res. But this is built in UE5, right? That's Unreal Engine 5. They have a team that they're building. I trust their team, Rob and Josh. They do a great job. So subscribe to Cornucopia's game on YouTube if you want to learn more. But again, I'm just letting you know why I'm interested in this. And it's basically because of the price of the token, right? You want to get in early, right? You want to get in early. You want the price to be right. It's very cheap right now. And fundamentally, in terms of market cap, we could go to $1 or $2 next bull run. I'm not promising that. I'm not telling you to buy any, but this is what I'm doing. All right? Moose is going to get loose, even though he's been sick. I'm kind of pissed off. I've been sick for like, over a week now. Anyways, 53,000 tokens. If you want to, you guys can send me stuff here. I will review it. So comment down below, be like, hey, I sent you something to your Red Cape wallet. I'll take it as a donation, and it's a way that we can talk about projects. So if there's a project you want me to look at, dump it in my wallet, I will notice it. I check this every half hour. Even when I'm in the shower in the morning, I'll check my wallet. I'll be like, dude, like, did my next rewards come in? I'm also delegating to the Crow node. And also you could delegate to DApp, DAPP, that's DApp Central. Cool, dude. But anyways, that's my point. So Sandbox, 70 cents, 69 cents. Okay, we're down now. But at the height, it was $7. All right, and this is ranked 53. Now, if we look at Copi, okay, Copi is ranked 3,373. This is going to change. My prediction, today we're February 28th, right? So we're February 28th, 2023. I think next bull run, we are going to see this rank top 100. I really believe that. So you should have some Copi. Again, we have not seen anything happen with this project yet. The game isn't out yet, but this is the time to get the tokens. That's what I'm thinking. Not telling you to do that. So if we look at when I've been buying, am I up? Yes, I'm up 73%. So we'll even do a quick little refresh. So here's one of my accounts. This doesn't include my NFTs. But it is my top 3 project. So Cornucopias, it's my top 3 project. That's how much I believe in this project. And when you think about investing in general, like, at least for me, I'm not even 30 yet. I would like to be able to see a big win. And I've been patient. I've been accumulating crypto every month, researching every night for the past 3 years. And I was into it before that, but I've been buying for 3 years just consistently. So it's working out. I still have my money. I'm down a little bit, but it's okay. I'm up big on some projects. All right. So comment down below. Do you own any Copi? Do you have more than me? Do you have less than me? So these are my biggest purchases. I would say the 25,000 Copi. I mean, they're a penny. I think this is going to go through the roof. So those are my holdings, right? Also, subscribe to Crypto Moose, this channel. Okay, we have tons of content. We're going to have a lot more going forward here in the future. So I'd love to see you in here. That would be fan-freaking-tastic. Okay. Also, we're running a coupon code, MOOSEISLOOSE. So we have links in the description below if you want to take an online course. They're cheap, $25. We're giving you 80% off. That's for the NFT course for beginners, crypto investing for beginners, and they're rated pretty high. These are out of 5. And we have the 10-day cryptocurrency challenge. Use coupon code MOOSEISLOOSE. It will already be in there for you, but these are great courses. I cannot sit down with you one-on-one and teach you the things I teach you here in the course in an effective time manner. You have to be able to learn on your own, and this is a great way to learn. For $25, you build a foundation, you're done. That's perfect. So I just want to mention that to you because genuinely I built these courses out of love, and I want you to all get your hands on that if you can. So check out Copi, do your research, write down a list of your top projects, right? But anyways, I want to keep this under 10 minutes. Got to pay this parking ticket. I hope they accept data. If they don't accept data, then I'll tell them, you know what, I'm not paying it then because I only have crypto. I have zero fiat. I'm living in Canada, walking around with my Trezor Model T, trying to figure out how to pay for gas. It's been unbelievable. So anyways, it's not your keys, not your cheese. I'm going to take some vitamin C and buy the dip. See you later. Love you all.